Hello everyone. Welcome to MERN Stack Internship Project Presentation and Demo. I am Aditya Kumar Sahu.
I'm Ajay Skalmat.
So here's our project.
The project's objective is to develop a user-friendly food delivery app using MERN which consists of MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. Our primary objective is to enhance food ordering process, offering a sleek user interface.
So the goals of the internship. Our mastery of MERN technologies. We have to develop a profound understanding of how MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js encompassing their fundamental principles, applications, and best practices. So, to achieve front end proficiency and project accomplishment, cultivate front end development expertise by crafting user interfaces using React.js. Strive to conclude the internship with a fully operational MERN stack web application. Coming to the architecture and design. The MERN based food delivery app comprises of various sections, including the home page, displays restaurants with search and filters, My Orders page shows order history, cart page, review and place orders, login logout pages handles the user authentication. There are additional key pages also. Menu page lists menu items and enables adding to the cart. Confirm order page comprises orders and manages address details. Payment page manages payment processings. Order history page displays the past orders. This setup offers an efficient and user friendly food ordering experience. Now, if you look at the design template, how it works is that we have a client layer consisting of the browser, desktop, and mobile, which has the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, basically the React app front end. Now, HTTP request is made via the business logic layer, which is the Express application and the Node server. It sends a data request to the database layer of the MongoDB database. From there, the MongoDB database sends a data response back to the business logic layer, which again sends the response back to the client layer where it is showcased in the browser, desktop, or mobile.
Features. Let's look at some features. User authentication. This feature provides the user with user registration, login, profile management. This also includes the ability to update user profiles and passwords. Restaurant browsing. This presents us with an organized list of restaurants, complete with addresses, and ratings. Also offers us search and filtering functionalities. Menu viewing. Menu viewing displays the restaurant's menus with the dish descriptions, prices, and images. Cart management. Cart management enables the user to easily add or remove items and adjust quantities as per their needs. Order placement. Order placement allows the user to place order, specify delivery address for a seamless ordering experience. Payment integration implements a secure payment processing for a professional and streamlined transaction process. Requirements of our project were we used many languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, frameworks such as React.js, Redux. For our backend requirements, we used Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and many other databases.
Full stack web development. So, what does full stack web development actually involves? It involves the comprehensive process of planning, constructing, and maintaining both the front end and the back end components of a web application. Front end development. Full stack developers specialize in creating the user interface, which is the UI, and user experience, which is the UX, on the client side of web applications, which are seen by the users. They employ technologies such as HTML, CSS, React, and JavaScript to craft responsive and interactive web pages. Similarly, this concept we have used to showcase our website. Now, coming to the backend development, full stack developers manage server side operations, databases, and server administration. They use server side programming languages like Node.js to build the server application. They also work with databases, design APIs, and address server side security and authentication requirements, which we have used in our MongoDB. This flowchart portrays the full stack web development usage. As you can see on the right side, what does the user see? That is actually the front end. And at the back end, we have the MongoDB, which shares the databases. Every URL will actually request for the website or the DNS server and then connect with the web server, showing us what the user will see. MERN Stack Web Development. The MERN Stack is a popular choice for web application development, comprising of four key technologies. The M in the MERN stands for MongoDB, a flexible NoSQL database that efficiently stores data in a JSON-like format. Now, E stands for Express.js, a backend web application framework for Node.js, simplifying API creation and routing for handling HTTP requests and responses. R stands for React.js, a JavaScript library used for front end development, creating interactive and dynamic web pages. And the N stands for Node.js, a server side JavaScript runtime environment enabling developers to run JavaScript on the server, making it ideal for building scalable and efficient backend applications. So this consists of our MERN stack web development.
Moving on to our implementations. This is one of our projects. So this is my project. Um it is known as Dish Dash. This is my home page. We have 8 restaurants here. In my backend, there are 8 restaurants. So 8 restaurants, and all of them are displayed in a card using Bootstrap. And in this home page, we have 3 functionalities. One of them is sort by rating. Sort by rating basically sorts all of the ratings given in the database and displays them to the user. The other one is sort by reviews. Does the same thing, but if the reviews are good, the restaurant ends up at the top. The next one is a toggle option. Basically, it acts like a filter and filters off only the veg restaurants out of the database. And since we have only 2 veg restaurants in our database, it displays only 2 restaurants over here. So if I want to go and order something, and there's like the menu page, and this is the items. So the items database is over here, and let's order something. So this is basically like a simple ordering a button functionality, and the status basically says if the object or if the item is in stock or not. So we can see whether the object or the item is not in stock, and that's the reason we can't click anything. So this is anything, this simple. So moving on to the cart, yeah, the cart homepage, cart page. So I can add, I can remove items. You can also see the total changes over here. If I change my mind, if I don't want something, I can just remove it. Moving on to checkout option, I can put some random address over here. If I press continue, there's my confirm order page. So we get summary. There's a tax. The tax is in the back end. And if we move on to proceed for payment and enter the card detail, So you can see if the card details wrong, it comes in red, and on pressing payment is successful, and we can go to orders. We can see the order of the status as processing, and if we go to our payment, we see a payment, and we can look at the details of the order. It says processing, and if we go to the backend and change it, it is also, we change it to delivered. It comes as delivered, and we can so moving on. There's a search bar feature where it basically searches what you want. I have Domino's pizza, everything, and if we if the user logs out and wants to log in, we can do, and this forgot password, it will send a mail, and the mail is captured using mail trap. So this is basically sends a reset password token. On clicking this button, we are redirected to a reset password page where we can reset it, and it comes as password updated successfully. We can log in again, and we are at the home page. If there's a new user, so if we have a new user, we can press new user over here. We can put details, enter details. We can set password. We can choose our, we have registered successfully, and there's our home page. There's our profile over here. It says welcome user. We can also edit this, edit its name, update, user updated successfully.
So hello everyone, this is the project implementation part. As you can see, the project name is Order It. This is the carousel where I have been slide showing the images. This is the specialities which are present in the restaurants. So as you scroll down in the home page, there are 8 restaurants which are shown here. These are the different restaurants, and then the functionality part, we can search the restaurants whichever you want, like pizza. These are the 2 pizza options, or if you go back, so these are all your restaurants. Now you can even sort them based on the vegetarian section by reviews and ratings, like these are sorted based on the ratings, and then reviews, and then pure veg. Okay, now if you want to select something and order, I can go to a random restaurant, click on whatever is required. Here I want this. Then to going back, you can use the this thing logo again to go back. One item has already been added to my cart. I will go to this restaurant or any other restaurant and order some other stuff. My cart is being updated. Now in my cart you can check all the items that I had ordered. I can delete them. So the current order value is 531. If I delete this, get 419. Even I can even increment my order values here, so the total keeps on updating. So if I this is my cart, if I click on checkout, I have to fill the address, city, phone number, and the postal code, and the country. Next, if I click on continue, this shows the confirm order page. So my information, the name, phone number, my address, the items which I had, and the order summary along with the taxes. So if I click on proceed to payment, so this is my payment gateway. I have to enter my card number, expiry date, and CVV. So this is my card number, this is my expiry, and this is the CVV. So this is the total amount which we have to pay. If we click on this, we can see a small pop-up which is going to come, and then it shows us our order has been successfully placed. Now to check on my, see the cart is even empty because the order has been placed and we have paid the payment. So if you go to the orders, it will show you all your orders. So these are my previous orders, this is my current order. So if I want to see which is my order, I can just click like what I had ordered, pizza. So it will show down only the pizza names, etc. Yes. So if I go back, it will show me all the orders. So this was the order which currently, and the status is still processing. So if I go to the actions button, this will show me the order information that I have paid, the order is processing, and these are my order items. So this is the order number, unique ID. So now if I go to the cart and see, my cart is empty because I have removed all the orders. And here you can check on your orders, and then you can check on your profile. So you can even edit your profile. You can give it as developer 123, and update. A small pop-up should show yes. So my email address has been successfully updated. I can even log out from here and log in back. So the APIs which are working behind the application is first of all the payment gateway. So if we just refresh this, you can see the 691 amount order which I had just placed right now, the time. Okay. So, in conclusion, uh, we learned a lot from this MERN Stack internship. It helped us to learn new technologies like MERN, which is MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. We were able to develop this food delivery website from scratch with the help of our mentor Richa ma'am. This course was over 4 weeks long, or around a month. With the help, we were able to develop both front end and back end in this project. We also learned about the mail trap and Stripe, how we work with APIs, how we work with the front end technologies like HTML, CSS, how we work with JavaScript, the back end technologies like Node.js, Express.js, etc., frameworks, React, Redux, etc. And it was a very great experience. We built the website completely from scratch, and we built both front end and the back end, and we showed functionality as well. So apart from this, we also learned how to make a portfolio website from the workshop. So we would like to thank everyone for this opportunity.